So some of the tooling challenges that we have, I'm going to talk a little bit about micro machining, but the micro tool that's required to make molds, we do have some challenges, and I'll show you some of those in a moment. Certainly, when you're putting two halves of a mold together to make a molded part, the parting lines have to be pristine such that you don't have a mismatch and therefore a step in the molded part. Surface finish, I can really talk about this literally an entire hour about surface finish and how important that is to micro machined components, especially if they're going to be assembled to something else. That surface finish, perhaps creating a rough surface finish is a good thing to do when it's going into another part, because now you've got an improved surface area in which to adhere the next part. So these literally dust speck sized parts don't have a lot of surface to begin with, so roughening up that surface and creating higher surface area is of value. Optical finish, I talked about some lenses and some ophthalmic components. Material selection, we do get involved in choosing material. When you make dust speck size parts, obviously the strength is reduced because the wall thicknesses are smaller, the parts are smaller, the material may get stretched out in a molding process, so that material selection is important to choose one that's strong enough to do what it needs to do and withstand, maybe in the body heat for a long period of time and subjected to the elements. Venting, that's really important for machined tools to be vented properly, to vent the gas out of polymer going through there, and that's a whole science within itself as well. And now you've taken this very long period of time to create these very high precision, ultra precision tools, and you have to keep track of them or make sure that long term, for their full depreciation value, usually 5 to 7 years, that they're going to last and they're still going to be, have them in place for a long period of time.